Hey, how did your friend afford this place in this neighborhood, by the way? It's just like insane rent prices, no? Ah, yes. That's how.
Namaste, everyone. Namaste. Start by bringing our energy down. And we'll begin by lying back in Shavasana. And now reach out and grab the hands of those next to you. Close your eyes. And just repeat after me. I am whole and the whole is in me.
I am whole and the whole is in me.
Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Satnam Sri Wahaguru.
Satnam Sri Waheguru.
Let's just lie back in gratitude. Take in this moment and really open your hearts to the real reason we're all here. Bring in the puppies! It's puppy yoga time!